Today I'm going to show you how to set up the high flow unit for our CCT rigs. The high flow unit will be stored under the med box cabinet next to the IV pumps. In every case, there will be all the equipment to run high flow except for the 1000 ml bag of sterile water for inhalation. There'll be one of each cannula, trach adapter, oxygen delivery hose, high flow circuit, and Airvo nebulizer, along with your O2 supply hose and your Zopec backup battery kit. The 70-liter regulator with 10-foot O2 hose, along with your rig adapter and hospital adapter, just like the ventilator has. The O2 supply hose will either be connected to the port on the wall in the ambulance, or can be connected to the pigtail on the portable oxygen tank on the stretcher. Next, we'll connect our O2 hose to the 70-liter regulator. Next, we'll get our Airvo tube and chamber kit with the nebulizer adapter. We'll take the adapter and put the tubing between the two ports, and there's a little clip to secure the IV tubing. This spring lever pushes down. The patient requires a continuous nebulizer such as albuterol. We have the Airvo adapter. The sole nebulizer connects where the blue cap is, and the smaller plug will plug into the back of the solo nebulizer. Next, we'll connect our Zopec Transport UPS 90. Show your battery percentage. The blue light will indicate that there's DC power to the USB port. Push the power button one more time. The red light will come on for AC power. Next, we'll plug in the AC cord to the back of the UPS and plug that into an AC outlet, either in the hospital or the ambulance. This battery backup will last about 90 minutes max. Please always keep the AC power plugged in, unless you are going from the rig to the hospital room or from the hospital room to the rig. We'll hold down the power button on the Airvo. The Airvo unit has started up, and we'll see our temperature, our liters per minute, and our O2. Next, we can hit the forward arrow button. You'll see the temperature setting. Next, you'll see the liters per minute. Hold down the two arrows to unlock. You can then adjust your flow from 30 up to 60 or all the way down to 10 liters per minute. You can adjust your oxygen and see the oxygen concentration change as you adjust the flow regulator. Next, we'll take our red hose for sanitation and pull back the blue collar and slide it over the top of the patient supply port. Wiggle it in gently and slide the blue collar over the top. And Install the red hose on the left port and the filter cap on the right. In the black bag there are instructions on how to do the sanitation process, and it takes 55 minutes. While doing this process, please keep the Airvo 2 connected to the Zopec Transport UPS 90 power supply and plugged into an AC outlet. When the sanitation cycle is complete, pull back the blue collar, gently wiggle off the red hose, and disconnect it from the 2 ports on the front. These little clips are very fragile. Please be very gentle with them while pulling this on and off. Next, make sure to turn off the UPS 90 by holding down the power button for a few seconds. It will power down.
In the box.
We're going to make sure the battery is on the bottom side.
And then turn it so the battery is laying flat, correct?
Button. Yep, laying flat.
Okay, so now we're going to put the Airvo 2 inside. And make sure your patient port is facing outside. And then we're going to put in the tubing, which fits nicely. And then these can slide right in here, along with this on top. And then this leaves a perfect little area for cannula to go in. And then make sure nothing's around the edge. We don't want to close the lid on anything. We want to be nice and gentle with these things. And we can close the lid here.
Next, we're going to store it under the cabinet where the med box is. On the right side. I'm just going to go right beside it.
Hey everybody! So since our jump bag is no longer going to be stored in your under cab cubby, it's going to be outside. We now have our Epi kit on top of our NARC box, stored nice and secure right here.